So we have the Tecno Camon I Air, not the Tecno Camon I. That was launched a couple of weeks back. A phone that is priced under 10,000 rupees and give you that full view display. This also gives you a full view display and it is priced at 7,999 rupees. Now full view display of course is the deal this year. We're going to be seeing almost every phone giving you that full view 18:9 aspect ratio. Looks cool, man, bezel-less. So let's see what else is in the box, and we'll take a look at the phone also. Right, open. So this is the phone, right? As you can see, 18:9 aspect ratio. Let me just power it up, and in the meantime we'll show you the rest of the stuff. So what else do you get over here? You get literature in case you forget how to set up your phone. Very important. Other important thing is the warranty card. So you get 12 months plus 1 additional month of warranty, which is pretty great. There's also a 100-day replacement warranty, one-time screen replacement warranty also. So that's awesome. That's great. Shows that the company has confidence in the product and they also believe in giving you good services. You also get this cover, the soft cover. That's great. That is important. And yeah, charging cable, headphones, additional tip for your headphone, and the power adapter. So that's pretty much it. Let's keep everything aside because the main deal is of course the phone, which is right here. It's powered up. Here it is, the Tecno Camon I Air with 5.65 inch of HD plus display and 18:9 aspect ratio. If I talk about the build quality, it is plastic but solid. At the back, just like the iPhone, you have the rear camera, which is a 13 megapixel camera with LED flash. In fact, it's a quad LED flash, so you're gonna get more light, especially if you're clicking pictures in the dark. Also present is your fingerprint scanner to unlock the phone. And at the front is an 8 megapixel camera, and yeah, looks bright enough. The UI is there's nothing, it's just their own custom UI based on Android Nougat. This is the high OS that Tecno gives you with their phone, and the phone is powered by a MediaTek processor. It is a humble 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. So yeah, it's actually meant for people with who want to use a phone, basic with their own basic tasks like browsing the web, maybe WhatsApp, Facebook, watching videos, and not too much into gaming. You can play those less graphic intensive games like Candy Crush and all those things. You can do that, or Ludo, which is becoming immensely popular these days. You can do that, but besides that, 2 GB RAM, don't push it too much. The trick is to use the phone as per its capacity, right? And you'll be happy. If I talk about the battery, there is 3050 mAh battery with, I think with this specification, should last you the day, shouldn't be a problem. The display is, it looks good, but I don't think it's gonna hinder the battery life all that much. So yeah, for the price of 7,999 rupees, I think it looks pretty neat. Get a full view display, decent specification, camera 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel. So I think that should do the job for you. Of course, we'll save our verdict, like I say, towards the end when we use it properly, right? So yes, the Tecno Camon I